to the Wong Journey. I'm Christina, and today I'm gonna show you our apartment in Taipei. So I'm gonna show you our balcony. So today it's super hot. We don't usually hang out here because it's kind of small. Obviously, you can see that you can't sit here, and I don't feel comfortable sitting here just because it's kind of, I'm afraid of height. So this is a 24 floor. You can see that is Taipei 101 right there. And it's actually a pretty sunny day today. I've been wanting to film this video for so long, but the weather was not very nice recently because I think it's the raining season. Yeah, sometimes you can see all the mountains, and you know, the clear sky today is actually not really bad. Let's go inside. Close this because we have our air conditioner on. And coming here, it's our bedroom. So this is our little closet, but not really a closet. It's just a clothes hanger place. We actually control our clothes, then we can actually fit all of them here. This is our bed. And then it's very nice that they have a little couch on the side. TV. So then we don't actually have table. So we actually use a side bed table to put our computer. Sometimes we can watch a movie. And this side used to be another bed here. We asked them for maybe a dinner table or like a table that we can sit. And they actually give us two work desks. The lighting is not as good because it was a bedroom, right? So even though we have two lamps, I think we should get another light or lamp or something. Coming to this side, this is our kitchen kind of. They actually don't have any cooking equipment for us, so we went online and bought a little pot here. So we can actually do some cooking, hot pot, steaming at home. And then we got a lot of like stuff here just because I'm doing a keto diet. Then we have some peanut butters and whatever. So it's a little bit messy here. We just don't have any place to put stuff. And coming here, that we have a little little fridge. As you can see, it's actually really tiny. We don't actually buy groceries and cook. We normally just order Uber Eats. I guess it's a little bit different than in Canada, that we don't order as much as here. It's easier to just order takeout, and it's cheap. Here is our washing machine. It's 2-in-1, I guess. In Canada we have two. Actually very handy. I think in Taipei or in Taiwan, some people do their laundries like taking out and to a laundry place to do it. So it's actually really helpful. Coming here is the exit door, and we have a full-size mirror. And this is our bathroom. So I think this is it's not as small as other apartment that we're living in Taipei, but we don't actually have a bath here. So we have a shower, which is it does the job, I think. So yeah, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.